A very good day to everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning. This is Kusma. Now we are going to learn a topic about male reproductive system. The parts of male reproductive system are, see the diagram carefully, a pair of testes. So two testes, 1 and 2. Vasa Efferentium. This one is Vasa Efferentium. A pair of epididymis. So 1 and 2. A pair of Vasa differentia. This one is Vasa differentia. Ejaculatory duct. So this one ejaculatory duct and two seminal vesicles, 1 and 2, one pair seminal vesicles. A pair of Cowper's gland. A pair of Cowper's gland, 1 and 2. Prostate gland. So this one is the prostate gland. See here inside. Prostate gland. Cowper's gland. Prostate gland. Seminal vesicles. Sperm duct. Urethra. This one is urethra. And this one penis. So these are the organs of male reproductive system. Coming to the testes. See here, testes. So it have two testes, 1 and 2. The testes are located outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. So see here, this is the pouch scrotum. In this pouch scrotum only the testes will be located. And in each testis highly coiled seminiferous tubules are present. So in these highly coiled structures will be present. Those are called seminiferous tubules. The sperms are produced in these tubules. So sperms, where it produced? In testes it be produced by the process meiosis. We know the cell division, mitosis and meiosis. By the process meiosis, the sperms will be produced in very large numbers. That means hundreds of millions. Male sex hormone testosterone is also produced in testes. So testes produced what? Male sex hormone testosterone and sperms. This is about testes. Now coming to the topic, Vasa Efferentium. So see here, I told the coiled structures present inside the testes, that one seminiferous tubules. These tubules open into Vasa Efferentium. They carry sperms into epididymis. So, sperms produced in the testes, these are carried by Vasa Efferentia to epididymis. And so, what is two epididymis? One in each side. So, two are present, one in each side. The Vasa Efferentia open into epididymis, that means which is highly coiled tube located along the posterior side of testes. So we can see this one posterior side, front side, posterior side. Sperms are stored in them. Okay, sperms stored where? Epididymis lo sperms will be stored. Vasa differentia. See here, Vasa differentia. This one is Vasa differentia. This Vasa differentia, from each epididymis it rises. So this one is epididymis. From each side, this side and this side, it rises. Vasa deferens, which ascends into the abdominal cavity, looping around the ureter. So looping around the ureter. This one is about Vasa differentium. And next, seminal vesicles. See here, seminal vesicles 1 and 2. They open into the Vasa deferens. You can observe here Vasa deferens. They can open into the Vasa deferens. They produce seminal fluid. It is the source of energy for sperms when they are outside of the body. So sperms will be ejaculate. When it outside of the body, they need the energy to move. that is coming from the seminal fluid that is produced by the seminal vesicles. Ejaculatory duct. A duct from seminal vesicles. See here. A duct from seminal vesicles. It joins the vasa deferens. So it joins the vasa deferens and continues as ejaculatory duct. Continues as ejaculatory duct. Two ejaculatory ducts, 1 and 2. Two ejaculatory ducts joined at the center of. Where it join here? You can observe here. Join prostate gland and open into the, where it opens? I told already this one is urethra. So this one open into the urethra. Prostate gland. So what is the prostate gland? This prostate gland only secretions and releases into the urethra through the seminal ducts. By these seminal ducts only, the secretions will be released into the urethra by the prostate. These secretions activate sperms and supply nutrition. Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland secretions help in neutralizing the acidity and it lubricating in the urethra. So, coming to the urethra. In male, it transports not only urine but actually also sperms. It is also called as urinogenital tract. Urinogenital tract. And now, sperm cell. This testes produce sperm cell. So these are the gametes. What cells produced by the male reproductive organ testis is sperm. Actually, human sperm is 70 micrometer long each one cell. So millions of cells will be produced daily. It has three parts: head, middle piece and the tail. Head contains cap-like structure here, acrosome and nucleus. This acrosome is actually enzyme. It contains hydrolytic enzyme. That enzyme allows the sperm to penetrate the egg's barriers. It is head which bind to the egg at fertilization. Acrosome formed by Golgi complex. We know the cell organelles, Golgi complex and then nucleus. So inside here nucleus will be present. This nucleus have 23 chromosomes. So haploid, we know that one, and it contains DNA and proteins. Passes genetic information. So it is the center to pass genetic information. And the neck, here the neck. It encloses a centriole. This one is the centriole. The centriole will fuse with a second centriole that contributed by the egg. So when the egg fuses with the sperm cell, these centriole both will be fuses to form a centrosome. Next, middle piece. It contains mitochondria. We know powerhouse of the cell. What is mitochondria? That means it produces ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It gives the energy. This energy is used for the sperm cell movement, for the fertilization process. Next, the tile. This tile has flagellum that act as propeller. It has 9+2 microtubule arrangement. This is about the male reproductive system, small node, and these sperms are very small in size. So these are the some short note about male reproductive system and the sperm cell. Thank you for watching. Please watch our channel for more biological concepts. Uses for NEET Foundation for school students and college students and competitive teaching exams. CTET, TSTET, UP TET and Andhra Pradesh TET. More competitive exams.